It's a fact. The faster your site loads, the better impression it will create for your target visitors. On our platform, we make sure that you enjoy blazing fast loading speeds for your sites. We have built a custom cloud hosting platform where the workload is distributed across a number of machines instead of just one. This allows your sites and web applications to perform much better and your mails to travel at a vastly increased speed. Also, we use SSD drives instead of the regular HDDs, and since they have no moving parts, this leads to reduced latency in data reading and improved performance. On all of our servers, we use ZFS compression, which significantly lowers the size of your site contents and makes data reading even faster. All of these optimization measures will help your site to load 10% faster on our platform. Additionally, through data caching, we store your frequently accessed content in the server RAM so that future requests can be served in an optimal manner. We deploy servers with large amounts of RAM to make sure that your site contents are efficiently cached. For dynamic web pages and applications with large source code bases, we provide PHP opcode caching to ensure a threefold increase in the page generation speed. Further to this, in your control panel you will find a multitude of tools for speeding up your sites and apps. Memcached will assist you in speeding up large e-stores, busy blogs and news portals by caching frequently accessed database data in the RAM. Varnish is perfect for optimizing content-heavy websites by caching in frequently updated pages to make them load faster. Node.js is perfect for speeding up data-intensive real-time web applications. Since the location of the site influences how fast it will resolve to its visitors, we offer you a choice of data center locations across the world. We have a data center in USA for North and South American based websites, a UK center for sites based in Western and Central Europe, Africa and the Middle East, a facility in Australia aimed at serving websites in Australia, Oceania and Asia, along with a center in Eastern Europe for clients in this region. In each data center, we have built a bespoke traffic-balanced internal network so as to boost the communication between different servers. Also, we have selected only data centers that use various major ISPs and that have access to several main internet backbones to ensure a lightning-fast connection between your sites and the rest of the world. So hosting your sites with us will guarantee the fastest loading speeds for your web visitors, which means less bounce rates for you and more positive attention to your name or brand. Let's work together. Sign up today.